Number one is that we must sustain the peace and stability in the country. Two, and my people know this already, we must continue to work hard to raise incomes at homestead level. And in the case of my constituency, we have defined the activities on which we are going to put our efforts. Number one, to enhance our coffee farming and add value close to the homestead level. My people in Bukonzo West will stop selling fresh coffee. They must sell their coffee already processed to some level. That's coffee. Two, we are going to improve animal husbandry. Our traditional animal is the goat. So we have already started after the campaign to enhance goat rearing, native goats, by helping the people to plant grass which they can then cut and bring to the animals in the compound. We are encouraging piggery. In our area, the market is good, but we want to change the type and the quality of the pigs using what we call artificial insemination. We are going to enhance poultry, chicken keeping, mainly the local native chicken, which are of very good quality and they are very sweet. We are going to enhance skilling the young people. There are places we have identified which either belong to government or belong to the NGO sector like the churches, or open spaces where we are going to put more equipment so that the young people can have skills and have something to do, in addition to the skilling hub that President Museveni created for the whole district. So people are going to be very active. Thirdly, we must fight alcoholism. Uganda, in the whole of Africa, is number one in the consumption of alcohol. This is not a good reputation for us. So I'm going to use my position in the parliament, working with my colleagues, and we work on laws and mechanisms to reduce alcohol consumption. This we must do yesterday. So those will be my main areas of focus. Omwenge naye n'okusinga nnyo waragi njagala amateeka agakwata ku waragi tugaddemu gabeere g'amaanyi. Kati nga bwe njogera mu Afrika yonna Uganda ye namba emu kunywa waragi. So waragi eyo tugenda kugikolako ekirire wansi. Yes, ebintu bibakolako mu byalo twagala kuva ku maka tubikole mu ngeri egenda kubawa sente zisingako ng'ekyokulabirako omwanyi abamu bagutunda nga mubisi, abalala baguteeka ku musana gumala kooma ne bagutunda. Naye mu constituency yange mu byalo tugenda kutuusayo obwoma butono. Bw'oba ng'omaze kufuna mwanyi gwo gukyali mubisi oguteeke mu kooma kagu processing ogutunde beyi ng'eri waggulu. Yes. Sategeera nti omukyala Nambooze yakigezako. Wabanga yakigezako nekigaana, kati Nambooze akomyewo, nanze nkomyewo, tugenda kufuna balala tukizeemu, tukiddemu. Ebintu ebyonono obulamu bw'abantu baffe si kirungi kubikiriza nti kubanga bireeta ssente. Obulamu bwe busooka, ssente zakubiri. Kituyinza kugenda mu maaso n'ekintu nti kubanga kireeta ssente ate nga kyonoona bulamu.
Honorable, lastly, this time you're coming back in the yellow dominated Kasese.
What dominated?
I mean, it's been a passion for opposition. We saw sometimes they were bringing 2 MPs, 3 MPs. This time around, it's fully NRM. Eh?
Yes.
Should we say that signals the end of opposition in your district?
You know, Kasese, Uganda, I think the whole of Uganda, particularly young people, need to appreciate the difficult history of Kasese. I am now 74 years old myself. But the war, like the war of Renzururu movement, started when I was in primary 3. And we still feel the impact of that issue. So we've had the Renzururu movement, we've had Nalu, we have had ADF and other insurgencies in that place. So that has shaped the mental orientation of the people. But now with the time, with the stability, with more work by the NRM, a new thinking is emerging. Hence, this time around, getting everybody, all the MPs who have been elected, 6 of us are NRM. And we'll work hard to ensure that the opposition doesn't return. It will always be NRM, and we'll try to convert as many of our brothers and sisters who are in other parties to come to the NRM.
What had led the opposition to really emerge as a strong force in the district?
Pardon?
What had led to opposition emerging as a strong force?
As I said, it was that past difficulty, that difficult history, which people used to decampaign the movement. And initially people believed them